Hi there and welcome to another video. I am Raluca. This is gonna be a get ready with me. I am going to a house party with friends and this is not the look for it, but first world problems, right? This is the look, a silvery, glittery, cool toned cat eye. It's snowing where I live and I feel inspired to do a cool tone with this whitish silver right here, which reminds me of the snow, and I have glitter on my lips as well. Let the Christmas season begin. I already see Christmas stuff everywhere, it's insane. To me, anywhere earlier than December, it's a little too early to get excited for Christmas. But I get it. It makes people happy, so I'll take it. It's fine. Anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, it's coming up. I'm gonna start by setting my brows into place with my favorite, the Maybelline Super Lock brow gel, brow glue, whatever. This is very strong and I really like it because it really keeps my brows into place, even though my brows are kind of stubborn. I am gonna create some space here and brush the product into my brows and then set them kind of up and out. And then I like pressing them against my skin because, again, my brows are very stubborn, they don't stay put otherwise. So the way I do them, I basically stick them to my face. That's the goal. I'm gonna do my eyes before I do my face makeup. I had eyeshadow shields somewhere, I cannot find them and I'm tired. I don't want to look for them anymore. I'm just gonna use Scotch tape as some sort of a shield on my eyeshadow. And mind you, I'm just going to a house party. I'm not trying to go overboard, but I know I will. I'm just gonna stick it to my hand first, just so I don't put that strong glue on my face. The most difficult thing about this is getting the angle right. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna try to create a gradient liner with a pencil. So I have a black pencil here. Oh wait, I forgot to... How could I forget? I'm priming first. I'm using a bit of concealer on my lids. I don't like applying eyeshadow right on top of my bare skin. So uncomfortable to me. Pencil now. I'm gonna place it on the outer part of my eye. It doesn't have to be precise because I'm gonna smudge it out. And I mostly like applying it right on the outer corner because I have rounded eyes. And applying a dark shade here visually lifts the outer corner of my eye upwards. And that's sort of the look that I'm going for today. Yeah, I'm not gonna go overboard. Yeah, sure. Look at this already. The palette that I'm gonna use today mostly, it's the Naked Wild West by Urban Decay. And I'm gonna first need this dark gray. And I'm gonna apply it on with the same brush. I'm just gonna apply this darker gray above the black. Because again, I'm trying to create a more, like a gradient. This is already such a heavy look. Anyway, I'm gonna pick up this light nude cool tone that is gonna be my transition. I'm gonna use it to blend out this liner. And by the way, I'm using a Morphe 507 brush. And this is gonna go up towards my crease as well. And I'm coming back to that dark gray because I faded a little too much of it with the blend. Do I want some glitter on my eye? I think I'm gonna save the glitter for the lower lash line. Just gonna apply a bit more of that transition and fade it towards the inner part of my lid as well. I'm gonna take the black pencil and apply it underneath my lashes to sort of tie this together. And I am blending a bit of that dark gray close to my lash line. I think I like this already. Let's see if these are equal now. Most exciting part. I do have a little bit of fallout that I have to clean up. Okay, jumping to my face makeup now, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 130. I'm gonna use a little bit of that in the center of my face, doing some initial spreading with my fingers. Then I'm gonna blend it with my sponge. Doing a little bit of concealing with still the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour More Than Concealer, the one that I used to prime my eyelids. And I'm gonna just use a dot here and a dot here, and that is enough for me. And I am blending with the same sponge. I'm gonna follow up with some more cream products before setting, and I'm gonna use this Revolution Cream Bronzer, which is a product that I really like. It's very pigmented, blends really easily. See? Pigmented. And I'm gonna use the leftover right here on my temples. I like connecting my temple contour slash bronzer with my eyeshadow. And then as blush, I'm gonna go for the Maybelline Sunkisser. I'm gonna use two shades actually to create some sort of a gradient. So I'm using the shade 1, which is my favorite, and I think it suits me best from this range. I'm gonna apply this sort of more in the center of my face. And then the shade 3, I'm gonna use this a little bit outside of the first shade. This is also pretty shimmery, so it's gonna replace a highlighter as well for me. And tapping it, I might have used a little too much. But luckily this is very thin in consistency. It's quite watery, so it blends out very easily. It's also not that crazy in your face pigmented, it's a little bit more sheer. This is a great summer product, actually. Not the case now, it's snowing. It's been snowing for the past 3 days, I think. And that's why I'm feeling inspired to do a cool tone, sort of silvery look. And now that all the cream products are laid out, I can set with a little bit of translucent powder. I'm gonna use this little one from, this is from Makeup Revolution. It's a travel size jar in which I mix 2 shades of the Makeup Revolution baking powder. I'm gonna make sure there are no creases. I'm gonna blend these out before I set. And then stamp the powder all over my under eyes. And bringing it down, setting the sides of my nose as well. And the area here where my pores are a little bit more visible, so I can smooth them out with the powder. Okay, so I did this. I'm gonna do this on this other eye, and I'm gonna use this, this. Let's start with the first things. I am gonna line my waterline with a little bit of the black pencil that I used. Like that. Plain and simple. And then I'm gonna use this, this is from Avon, the Power Stay Gel Liner in the shade Silver Shimmer. And I like this. Lately I've been using it in this way. So I use it to highlight my inner corner, which I don't really do highlighting my inner corner with a pencil. What? And then I drag it towards the center of my lower lid. And I really like this effect. And then I'm gonna use a flat brush just to blend it a bit so it doesn't look that like I just slapped it on. And then I'm gonna use this little shimmer that it's from the palette that I've been using as a mirror. It's from Dior, 5 Colors Couture in the shade Soft Cashmere. And this is gonna go continuing the pencil from the center of my lower lid towards my outer corner. This has a very beautiful shimmer in it. I'm gonna finish the eyes with the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Waterproof Mascara. I'm not gonna curl my lashes because the goal today is to lean the lashes outwards. So I'm gonna comb them and sort of almost combing them outwards instead of up. This will accentuate that cat eye effect. And then using the leftover on the lower lashes. Okay, finishing off with the lips, which I'm gonna wipe off first. I have Vaseline on my lips. Cosmetic Vaseline. Best lip moisturizer. And I'm gonna line them with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. This resembles my lip color a lot, so it looks very natural. Yeah, I said I'm not trying to go overboard, but now I realize that I look like I'm going clubbing. I mean, life's too short. I'm gonna wear the makeup that I want to wear. It's fine. The world has seen bigger problems. Okay, I'm gonna finish off with this gloss, which is perfect for this look. The Lifter Gloss by Maybelline in the shade Pearl. This is a white, milky white gloss with white glitter. It's perfect. This looks so beautiful in this lighting. I hope the camera catches the beautiful glitter. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like I have snow on my lips. So this is the look all done. I'm probably gonna do something to my hair before leaving, but here's the makeup. You came here for the makeup. Or maybe just do a little bit of that. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and or inspiring. Hopefully both. I want to thank you so much for watching. I wish you an extraordinary day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!